In this video, I'm going to be showing how I color graded this video using a free app on my iPhone app. The name of this app is Premiere Pro. First of all you have to do is to open the Premiere Pro app on your phone. So this app is only available for iOS users, that is iPhone users. It's not on Play Store. So I'm going to import the video I want to color grade. So let me just import this clip here. So this is how the video looks like. First of all, click on the clip, then move over to this adjust here. Click on adjust. So this is how it is. First of all, I'll work on my exposure, either increase it or I reduce it. So let me increase it a bit, and I'll add my contrast to it. Then I'll drag my highlights down and increase my shadow. I don't touch this white a lot, and I'll head over to color. So I'm either making this to look yellowish or bluish. So this is yellow and this is blue. We are giving two different modes here, but I always take it down. I'm okay with this. I'll add my tint. Then I'll add my vibrance a bit, saturation same, and I'll head over to mixing. This is where the main thing is. So this is green. I'm going to increase my green, increase the saturation. Then under grading, I don't touch much here. I'll just click on global. I'll increase the saturation, and I'll move it to like where I'm satisfied. I like this color. I'll leave it here. The next thing to do is to click on filter, and that's the last thing to do. So you click on filter. There are a lot of filters here to use. Okay, so this one based on the mood you want to use. But I prefer this one. How do you say it?